Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Amazon Prime Video. Whether you're ready to catch up on your favorite shows or dive into a new series, getting signed in is your first step to accessing all that great content. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to primevideo.com. This is the official Amazon Prime Video website where you'll access your entire streaming library. Once the page loads, you'll see the Prime Video homepage with various shows and movies displayed. Now, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a profile icon there. It's the small circular icon that represents your account. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Sign In. This will take you to the Amazon login page where you'll enter your credentials. On the login page, you'll see a field asking for your mobile number or email. Type in whichever one you used when you created your Amazon account. This could be the email address associated with your Amazon purchases or the phone number you've registered. After entering this information, click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. After clicking Continue, the page will refresh and prompt you for your password. In the password field, carefully type in your Amazon account password. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login errors. Once you've entered your password, click the Sign In button. And that's it. You're now signed in to Amazon Prime Video and ready to start streaming. You'll be taken to your personalized homepage where you can browse through thousands of movies, TV shows, and original content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.